Some people can make you feel angry, upset, or frustrated just by saying or doing the wrong things, while others seem to remain unaffected, no matter how much people try to push their buttons. The latter group has mastered emotional strength, so nobody can shake their inner peace. They've learned to use their minds as tools, not weapons. Are you tired of letting others dictate your mood? Do you want to learn how to stay calm and focused despite external chaos? Then watch this video to discover the secrets of those who remain unfazed and how you can become like them. I will show you how to master your emotions and gain the upper hand in any situation. Welcome to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you're not subscribed yet, you're missing out breaking down the art of emotional resilience. First, we'll explore practical techniques like the 5-second rule and the power of a calm mindset. Second, we'll delve deeper with concepts like self-confidence, emotional detachment, and the choice between peace and power. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to cultivate unshakable inner strength. Ready to embark on this transformative journey? Let's dive right in. Number 1. Control what you can, release what you can't. When someone makes you angry, it's because you give them the power to control your emotions. Often our anger stems from trying to control what we can't, like other people's behavior or specific outcomes. The key is to recognize this pattern and shift your focus. You can't always change external circumstances, but you can control how you respond. By releasing the need to control everything, you free yourself from unnecessary emotional burdens. Number 2, the 5-second rule. From reaction to response. After someone provokes you, count to 5 slowly in your head. This 5-second pause gives you time to shift from reactive anger to a calm, strategic response. During those 5 seconds, your mind disengages from the emotional loop, allowing for rational thought. This practice, rooted in mindfulness, helps you regain control over your reactions and promotes long-term mental clarity. Number 3, build an untouchable mindset. Don't let others' negativity affect your mood. Let their words bounce off you like water off a duck's back. You are in charge of your emotional state, not them. An unshakable mindset means not giving others the power to disturb your inner peace. By detaching from external negativity, you free your mind to focus on personal growth and development. Number 4, self-confidence as a shield. True confidence comes from within. When your self-confidence is rooted in self-acceptance, external validation becomes less crucial. This internal strength acts as a shield against others' words or actions. Because your sense of worth isn't dependent on external factors, you remain stable and peaceful even when faced with challenges. Number 5, you are not your emotions. Your emotions are ever-changing experiences that don't define your identity. They are like clouds passing in the sky. Just as a cloud does not determine the vastness of the sky, your emotions do not determine your true nature. By recognizing this, you step back from the emotional waves and choose how to respond instead of being swept away by them. Number 6, peace over power. In many situations, the desire to be right or win an argument takes priority. However, this relentless pursuit of power and control often leads to unnecessary conflict and emotional exhaustion. Demonstrating peace amidst chaos requires strength and discipline. It means choosing long-term well-being over short-term victories. True power lies in remaining calm and composed, not in proving yourself right. Number 7, focus on growth, not drama. When you stop reacting to drama or petty conflicts, you free your mind to focus on more meaningful pursuits. This clarity allows you to channel your energy towards personal growth, goals, and dreams. Instead of getting caught up in the whirlwind of distractions, you maintain a sense of purpose and direction. This shift in perspective not only boosts your mental health but also paves the way for success in various aspects of life. In conclusion, mastering emotional strength means no one can disturb your inner peace. It's about developing resilience, self-mastery, and the ability to navigate life's challenges without losing your calm. By integrating the strategies and insights shared in this video, You can cultivate an unshakable mindset that empowers you to thrive in all aspects of your life. Remember, true strength lies not in suppressing emotions, but in consciously choosing how to respond to the world around you. As you continue to refine these skills, you'll find yourself entering a state of profound inner peace and resilience, ready to take on life's challenges with renewed vigor and determination. Keep practicing, keep growing, and soon, you'll be unstoppable. Thanks for watching.